Hi, my name is Andrea Chapman and I'm the founder and creative director of Watermelon Wishes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini wallet. This tutorial is part of a series we're producing called Handmade Holidays, which will include 12 easy to sew holiday gifts. For this project you're going to need 4 pieces of cotton fabric that measure 4 inches by 6 inches. 1 piece of inner facing that measures 4 inches by 6 inches, and a piece of elastic that measures 4 inches wide. This piece here is 1 inch across, but you could use a piece that was narrower if you like. To begin, you're going to place 1 piece of fabric right side up on your batting. You're going to fold 2 pieces of fabric in half to form a rectangle. Like that, and those are become your pockets. So position those with the folded edges together. Then you take your piece of elastic and position that at the halfway mark between one of the pockets. Put a pin in to hold all of those layers. Take your last piece of fabric and put that right side down to form a sandwich. Then you're going to put in 2 pins that capture all of the layers at each end. Now we're going to sew up 2 long sides and 1 short side. We're going to leave this piece without the elastic open at the short end. You're going to want to secure your stitch at the beginning and the end with a reverse stitch. And you're also going to want to secure that at the elastic, which you can see peeping out of the edge there. Go in reverse over the elastic. Closing at the short end now. Coming over that piece of elastic on the other side. You're going to want to go in reverse and secure that. And then use a reverse stitch at the end. Remove your pins. Remember, you have 1 on the inside. You're going to want to get that out. Okay, before you flip this right side out, go around the edge and make sure that you've captured all 4 layers of fabric, plus your layer of batting and your elastic. And that looks really good. Now you're going to need to trim this just a bit so you don't have a lot of bulk. Taking care not to cut your stitch line. You reach inside, flip that. Use your fingers to poke out the corners. Now when you flip this inside out, you should have a piece of elastic on the back side and 2 pockets on the front. For the end that's open, you're going to flip this inside out, like that. And now you have a pocket and a piece of elastic and a pocket on one side. Now we're going to stitch this in closed all the way across there using a reverse stitch at the beginning and the end. Double check, make sure you've captured 4 layers of fabric and a layer of batting. Looks good. Trim that up. And then reach inside here and flip that pocket around. Poke out the corners with your finger. And now you have a mini wallet that will hold about 30 business cards, a dozen Shoppers Club cards. It folds in half, and you use the elastic to secure that in place. Makes a great gift. As I mentioned, we'll be producing 11 more tutorials for the holiday. I'd like to invite you to follow us here on YouTube as well as on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching.